In this video, let's talk about how to use Afterpay Pulse Reward feature. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now the Pulse Reward feature is no longer available within Afterpay. The points tiers or the exclusive program offers did not carry over as the Afterpay company chose to transition away. So the Pulse Reward feature is no longer available, but however the Afterpay has integrated the core benefits of the old Pulse feature directly into the standalone application. So in order to use this feature, you no longer need to track points. The system will automatically handle the account scaling automatically behind the scenes. So previously you needed the pulse points to move up tiers, so from gold to platinum. Now the algorithm will automatically bump up your available balance. Also, you have now the flexibility of changing your installment due date, which used to be a locked Pulse Reward milestone. So now the inbuilt feature allows you to change your due date automatically or on the date that you'd like. So this is the exact feature that you can use within the standalone application of Afterpay. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.